If you're still sending WhatsApp messages to your customers one by one, copying, pasting, editing the name, hitting send and repeating that 200 times, I want you to stop right now. Because there's a tool that does all of that in one click and it costs less than a cup of coffee. It's called WASender. And by the end of this video, you'll have it set up and your first campaign running. WASender is a WhatsApp bulk messaging and marketing software designed for anyone who needs to reach a large audience fast. Business owners, digital marketers, agencies, coaches, real estate agents, restaurants, schools, basically any business that communicates with customers on WhatsApp. Here's what makes it different from other tools. It's a one-time purchase, no monthly fees, ever. It runs directly on your Windows PC. Your data never touches a cloud server. It has a built-in lead extractor, a contact filter, an autoresponder bot, and supports personalized messaging with attachments, all inside one software. Plans start at just $7. Let me show you everything. Go to the WASender site and head to the pricing section. You'll see 4 plans, $7 for a single PC, perfect for solo users, 19s for up to 10 PCs, great for small teams, $25 for the reseller plan, unlimited licenses, and you can sell to clients. All plans are lifetime, all include every feature. Pick yours, pay UPI, card, PayPal or crypto are all accepted and you'll get your license key instantly by email. Download the installer from the WASender site, run it, and WASender is on your computer in under a minute. Windows only, but if you're on Mac, the WASender site recommends a free emulator called UTM that lets you run Windows on your Mac without any issues. Open the software, enter your license key on the activation screen, and you're in. The first thing you'll do inside WASender is connect your WhatsApp account. The software generates a QR code on screen. Pick up your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots at the top right. Go to Link Devices, then tap Link a device. Scan the QR code on your screen. Done. Your WhatsApp is now live inside WASender. You'll see your profile name appear, confirming the connection. From this point on, everything you send goes through your own WhatsApp number, which means it lands in real WhatsApp inboxes, not spam folders, not promotional tabs, real messages, real delivery. Now let's get your contact list ready. WASender gives you 3 ways to do this and I'd recommend starting with the most powerful one. The Google Maps Lead Extractor. Click on the Gmaps Extractor tab, type any business type and location, hit extract and WASender scrapes business names and phone numbers directly from Google Maps. In minutes you have a targeted niche specific lead list for free right inside the software. No external tools needed, upload from Excel. Already have a contact list. Perfect. Prepare a simple Excel file, phone numbers in one column, names in another, and click Upload Excel. WASender reads it instantly, no reformatting required. Manual entry for smaller lists, just type or paste numbers directly. Use international format, country code plus the number. Once you have your list, run it through the WhatsApp number filter. This scans every number and removes anyone who isn't on WhatsApp. Why does this matter? Because sending to non-WhatsApp numbers wastes your time, inflates your send count, and can make your account look suspicious. Always filter before you send. It takes a few minutes and makes your entire campaign cleaner and safer. Time to build your actual campaign. Click send messages from the sidebar. Load your contacts first. Import your filtered list or paste numbers in. You'll see them populate the contacts panel. Now write your message. This is where most people go wrong. They write something that reads like a billboard ad. Don't write like a human. Keep it short, lead with something useful or interesting, and make it feel like it's coming from a real person. Use the name variable to auto-personalize every single message. Type "Hey name" at the start. WASender pulls each person's name from your Excel sheet and inserts it automatically. One recipient gets "Hey Arjun," another gets "Hey Sarah," and no one knows it was automated. Personalization is the single biggest factor in getting replies. You can format your text with bold, italic, and other standard WhatsApp formatting using asterisks and underscores. Your message will look clean and professional. Add an attachment. Click the attachment icon, upload an image, a PDF catalog, a video, a voice note, or any document. Businesses that send a visual alongside their message get significantly more engagement than plain text blasts. Use a clean product image, a special offer graphic, or a short intro video. Set your batching and time gap. Don't skip this. This is the most important setting for keeping your account safe. Set WASender to send in batches. For example, 20 to 30 messages per group with a gap of 30 to 60 seconds between each batch. This makes your sends look like normal human activity to WhatsApp systems. WASender's built-in band reduction engine works alongside this to further protect your number. Hit send, watch the live delivery tracker as your messages go out in real time. You can minimize the window WASender runs in the background while you do other work. After your campaign go to reports, you'll see a complete breakdown: how many messages were delivered, how many failed, and a list of any numbers that didn't go through. Download the report as a file, useful for keeping records or reporting results to a client. And here's something really practical. If your campaign gets interrupted for any reason, power cut, internet dropped, you accidentally close the software, you don't lose your progress. Open the report, see exactly where you stopped, and resume from that point. WASender won't resend to numbers that already received the message. Clean, no duplicates, no wasted effort. Here's a feature that turns WASender from a sender into a full marketing system: the autoresponder bot. Go to the autoresponder tab and set it up in two parts: a trigger keyword and a reply message. When your bulk campaign lands and 50 people reply within the hour, the bot handles every single one instantly, consistently, professionally. You don't have to be at your desk, you don't have to hire someone. The bot works around the clock and makes sure no lead goes cold. Just to give you a sense of who this is built for, WASender works brilliantly for local businesses like salons, restaurants, and gyms promoting daily offers, real estate agents sharing property listings with filtered buyer lists, coaches and educators sending course updates and reminders, event managers sending invites, confirmations, and day of logistics, digital marketing agencies running campaigns for multiple clients, and freelancers who want to offer WhatsApp marketing as a new service using the reseller plan. If your customers are on WhatsApp and their WASender belongs in your toolkit, that's the full walkthrough setup: lead generation, personalized campaigns, safety settings, reports, and automation, all inside one affordable tool. Head to the WASender site, grab your plan starting at $7, and get your first campaign out today. The link is in the description. If this video was useful, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Drop a comment if you have questions. I read everyone. See you in the next video.